So you have understood closed compound words. Now let us discuss open compound words. Open compound words. Open compound words are formed by joining together an adjective and a noun or two nouns. However, the root words still have a space between them. They still have a space, means they are not stuck together. There is a space in between these compound words. Seemingly they are two words but function as one word. Okay? Do you understand?
Yes.
Seemingly means seemingly, apparently they are two words, but in fact they are not two words. Why? Because they convey one meaning only. So that is why they are compound words. Open compound words. Yes. For example, ice cream. Now ice cream is an open compound word. Why? Because you leave space in between them. Because the combination is obvious. Ice is one root word, cream is another root word, but together they are giving you one meaning. Is it not?
Yes, sir.
So they are two root words, but they give one sense, one meaning. That is why they are called as open compound words. For example, role model, role play, remote control, So there can be many examples. Yes, keep writing them fast. Okay, quick tempered, hot tempered. Now, as you know, as you notice there in closed compound words, so same thing goes with this also. When you have the same noun, see here, you have one adjective and the second one is a noun. But this is not so always. There can be a combination of two nouns as well, right? For example, now remote control, okay, role play, role model. So quick tempered, yes, safety glasses,
Stock market.
Here this combination is obvious, so you don't need to stuck them together. Even if you write them by leaving a space in between them, then also they are called as compound words. Vacuum cleaner, let me rub it off first. And please keep writing them down fast. Vacuum cleaner.
Police station.
Police station. Yes. Or yes. United Kingdom, United States. United Kingdom.
Cell phone.
United States. Okay. Good. States. Nice. Example, cell phone or say mobile phone. The same thing, but just see, mobile phone, cell phone are written as open compound words, whereas telephone is written as a closed compound word. Remember this and don't be confused. There is no rule like this. Means if it's a phone, so that means it will be written as an open form or open compound word. No, it can even be written as a closed. So it depends. That is why they say that they are very tricky. Yeah. Just give me more examples. Say hot dog.
Prayer drug.
Prayer drug.
Prayer drug.
I'm sorry. prayer. Okay.
Rug.
How do you spell it?
R-U-G.
R-U-G. What does it mean?
Mat.
Prayer rug. Okay, prayer rug is okay. Mat means where you sit on and do your prayer worship. Okay, prayer rug, right? But it's a misnomer to use rug here because they are of velvet and they are okay. They are of costly and very glossy tapestry cloth. Anyway, prayer rug. Okay, nice word. Prayer rug is an open compound word. Yes, more. Website. Website. What else? Dining table. Even dining room, I told you, is written as written as an open compound, and same with dining table. Dining table is also. Yes.
Website.
Website. Yeah. Website is written as this way.
Sir, S will come instead of.
Okay. Nice. Website. So what is it? Is it a closed compound, or I think it's written both ways?
Yes.
But I think mostly it's written as
Closed compound.
Close compound.
closed compound. But there are some who write it as an open compound also. So like wherever you have any confusion, do not attempt it, because you always have a choice. For example, there is a confusion here, website, but I know we have all seen this that they write it like this, website. And light bulb, night bulb, light bulb, night bulb. Yes, more words from your side. Tennis court. Because I am writing very hurriedly, I might go wrong, so keep telling me. Yes, tennis court.
Mother tongue.
Mother tongue, good. Mother tongue. Mother tongue.
Deep fry.
Deep fry. Good. Deep fry. Now this is written as open compound word. Nice. Yes. Okay, very nice. Yeah. More examples, come on, quickly.
No one.
No one. No one. No one. Okay, none is written like this, but no one is written with a space. No one. Bus stop.
United States.
No, this we have already discussed. United States and United Kingdom. Video game. Video game. And yes. Rocking chair. Rocking chair. Rocking chair. Or okay. So this is okay.